Have you ever wondered why myths and legends captivate us so? The allure of these tales, woven into the fabric of our societies, is undeniable. They are more than just old stories. They are cultural keystones, helping us understand the values, fears, and aspirations of our ancestors. Myths and legends serve as a mirror to the societies they come from, reflecting the collective consciousness of the people. English-speaking cultures are rich in such narratives. Tales of chivalrous knights, cunning outlaws, and eerie ghosts abound, each with a unique flavor and perspective. In this video, we'll explore some of the most iconic stories that have shaped the English-speaking world. We'll journey into the court of King Arthur, where valor and honor rule supreme. We'll roam the forests with Robin Hood, champion of the downtrodden, and we'll tread softly through haunted halls, where ghost legends send shivers down our spines. So, are you ready? Delve into the enchanting world of myths and legends from English-speaking cultures. Imagine a world of knights, castles, and a legendary king. In the heart of this world stands a figure of unmatched valor and nobility, King Arthur. His story begins with a young Arthur, unknowingly the rightful king, pulling the magical sword Excalibur from a stone. This act alone symbolizes his divine selection to rule and protect Britain. Excalibur, the sword of all swords, serves as an emblem of Arthur's power and rightful sovereignty over the land. Among his most trusted allies is the wise Merlin, a wizard of immense knowledge and mystical abilities. Merlin serves as both a mentor and guide to Arthur, often providing counsel during moments of uncertainty and peril. His presence in the tale underscores the theme of wisdom and its essential role in leadership. King Arthur's rule is characterized by the establishment of the Round Table, a symbol of unity, equality, and democratic governance. The knights who sit at this table are renowned for their bravery, wisdom, and dedication to the kingdom. They uphold the chivalric code, valuing honor, courage, and loyalty above all else. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Arthurian legend is the quest for the Holy Grail. This sacred object is said to possess miraculous powers, and the quest to find it signifies the pursuit of divine enlightenment. The search for the Holy Grail also represents the trials and tribulations we face in our journey towards self-discovery and fulfillment. The legend of King Arthur is deeply embedded in historical context, blending elements of Celtic mythology, Christian symbolism, and medieval romance. Its enduring popularity speaks to its universal themes of bravery, loyalty, and the struggle between good and evil. More than just a tale of knights and castles, the Arthurian legend offers a window into the values and beliefs of a bygone era. It continues to inspire and captivate, reminding us of the power of myth and legend in shaping our understanding of the world. The legend of King Arthur, a tale of bravery, loyalty, and destiny. In the heart of Sherwood Forest, a hero emerges. Let's journey back in time to medieval England, where the line between the rich and poor is as stark as night and day. Here, in the dense green cloak of Sherwood Forest, a legendary figure springs to life. Robin Hood, the outlaw who stole from the rich to give to the poor. Clad in Lincoln green, with a feathered cap on his head and a longbow in his hand, Robin Hood is more than just an outlaw. He is a beacon of hope for the oppressed, a symbol of rebellion against tyranny and injustice. Alongside him, his band of merry men, a group as diverse and colorful as the forest itself, stand ready to challenge the authority of the rich and powerful. Among these merry men, figures like Little John, Friar Tuck, and Will Scarlet each bring their own unique skills and personalities to the mix. They're loyal, brave, and always ready for an adventure. Together, they form a family, united by a common cause. At the heart of this tale is a love story. Maid Marian, a woman of noble birth, is Robin Hood's true love. Their romance is a testament to the power of love to cross social boundaries and unite people from different walks of life. But every tale needs a villain, and in this case, it's the Sheriff of Nottingham. Ruthless and greedy, the sheriff represents the corrupt power that Robin and his men fight against. Their clashes are epic, filled with thrilling chases, narrow escapes, and the ever-present tension of a cat-and-mouse game. The legend of Robin Hood resonates with themes that are still relevant today: justice, inequality, and rebellion. It reminds us that sometimes it takes an outlaw to challenge an unjust system and make a difference. So, from Sherwood Forest to our modern world, the spirit of Robin Hood lives on. He stands as a testament to the power of the people to challenge corruption and champion fairness. Robin Hood, the outlaw who became a hero. When night falls, the supernatural comes to life. In the hushed corners of English-speaking lands, ghost legends abound, each more spine-chilling than the last. Let's start with the United States, where the ghosts of Civil War soldiers are said to haunt the historic battlegrounds. These spectral soldiers are often seen in full uniform, forever reenacting the devastating conflict that took their lives. This enduring legend mirrors the nation's struggle with its own tumultuous history. Across the pond in England, we find the tale of the Grey Lady of Hampton Court. This ethereal figure, thought to be the ghost of a disgraced lady-in-waiting, is said to wander the halls of the Grand Palace, her mournful sighs echoing through the corridors. This tale embodies the classic English ghost story, combining high drama with a touch of tragedy. In Australia, the story of the ghost of Fisher's Ghost is a testament to the country's rough-and-tumble pioneer days. A farmer murdered for his land, Fisher's ghost is said to have led authorities to his own grave, securing justice from beyond. This legend reflects the harsh realities of life on the frontier, and a belief in the persistence of the human spirit, even after death. And finally, we visit Jamaica, where the rolling calf, a terrifying ghostly creature, is said to roam the night. Bound in chains, this spectral beast is a chilling reminder of the island's past, steeped in the horrors of slavery. While these ghost legends vary greatly, they all share a common thread. They reflect the fears, beliefs, and historical realities of the people who tell them. They serve as cautionary tales, reminders of past injustices, and a means of exploring the unknown. And most importantly, they remind us that every culture, every country, has its own unique way of dealing with the mysteries of life, death, and what might lie beyond. Ghost legends, chilling tales that continue to haunt us. We have journeyed through the world of myths and legends. We've traversed the majestic realm of King Arthur, a tale steeped in chivalry, bravery, and the quest for the Holy Grail. This legendary king and his Knights of the Round Table have given us idioms like a knight in shining armor and the sword in the stone. Next, we ventured into Sherwood Forest, the stomping ground of the heroic outlaw Robin Hood. His adventurous tales of robbing the rich to feed the poor have been a source of delight, and fascinating expressions like robbing Peter to pay Paul. Finally, we delved into the eerie world of ghost legends, where spirits roam and tales chill the spine, offering phrases like a ghost of a chance and give up the ghost. These stories, these myths and legends are more than just tales. They gift us unique expressions, enrich our vocabulary, and provide a glimpse into the cultural heritage of English-speaking societies. Myths and legends, timeless tales that continue to shape our cultures and our imaginations.